Hey YouTube, how are you? I've got my earplugs in and I'm almost ready to go into that luxurious pool. And there's a beautiful jacuzzi over there with a waterfall. And today's message is going definitely step out of the house because there's something called cabin fever where you feel like it's mundane or routine. And when you get out, you subject yourself to the sun's healing qualities. The trees, which contain oxygen, and the air that comes off the fresh mountain, a waterfall to keep. And then going into a beautiful pool like that